All right, here we go. Good luck, Steven. cardshark36. Gonna do a box of Topps UFC top of the class hobby box. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. I was hoping for a redemption. It felt pretty thin. All right, we got Luke Rockhold is what we're going to start off with. Former middleweight champion Luke Rockhold. What's up, Nathan? And I think we saw the base. Anthony Johnson. Anthony Rumble Johnson. All right, our first hit. Let's see what the color is. All black. It's all black. Number to 199, all black. He is in the welterweight division. Ooh, 99 of 199. Who can it be? Punching you right in the face. Thiago Alves. The Pitbull. Thiago Alves. 99 of 199. Autograph is over there. Let's see who the... Lightweight. We know who that is. Showtime. Anthony Pettis. Showtime Pettis. And the last autograph is very nice. Donald Cerrone. Very nice, 2 autographs. Cerrone and Showtime Pettis. Very cool little box. Very nice. Nice little stuff. Thank you, Steven.